My name's Alex Blencarn. I'm a sales representative with eXp Realty, and I wouldn't purchase a house without knowing these 5 things. Number 3, the age of major systems. Now, I touched on this a little bit in my last video, but it's important to know the age of major systems in your new house so that you can plan your budget accordingly. Now, today I'm going to go over 3 things in the home that you should know the age of before you put in an offer. Number 1, the roof. So in my area, there are 2 common types of roofing materials used, metal and asphalt shingle. Previously, asphalt shingle had been the most popular, but metal roofs are becoming more and more common due to the increased cost of shingles. Now, typically a shingle roof will last about 20 years, whereas a metal roof will last about 40. And when you're looking at a house, look at the roof to see if you notice any damage. When you're looking at a shingle roof, you'll want to look for any openings, any moss or damaged or curling shingles. This indicates that the roof could have to be replaced soon. When you're looking at a metal roof, look for any loose screws, damage, or rust. These areas can be common spots for leaks. Now, additionally, you'll also want to examine the attic and ceiling to look for any signs of water entering the building, because replacing a roof could cost anywhere between $10,000 and $20,000 depending on the scope of the work. So it's always important to examine the roof, the attic, and the ceiling during your initial inspection. And a pro tip, if the roof is new, ask if there's a warranty. Sometimes roofing companies will provide a warranty, and that can be typically transferred to a new owner. Number 2, the age of the furnace and air conditioner. Now, both of these units can last anywhere from 15 to 30 years, depending on how well they are maintained. When you're looking at a house, you'll want to look for any damage or rust on either unit and examine the serial number to determine the age of the furnace and air conditioner. Now, this serial number can typically be found on the information plate for the unit. You'll want to Google the serial number when you get home, and they will typically tell you the year and the month that specific unit was manufactured. Again, cost depends on the scope of the work, but replacing a furnace and air conditioner can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 depending on what needs to be done. So it's always important to inspect these units. And finally, number 3, you'll want to check the age of the appliances. Again, this will be found on the serial and model number for the appliance. And generally speaking, these appliances will come with the house, and you'll probably be leaving your appliances at your current house. So it's important to make sure that the appliances you're buying actually work. Now, replacing appliances can be a little bit cheaper than buying something like a roof, but it's important to know how old they are to determine if you must budget for something new, especially if you have to replace all of the appliances at once. So, in summary, when you're looking at a house, examine the major systems. Always ask the age of the heating and cooling systems, the roof, and any appliances that are coming with the house. And see if the homeowner can provide any receipts or maintenance records, and get a picture of the serial and model numbers of systems and appliances if possible, so that you can research them when you get home. Anyways, that's all for me. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. And again, my name's Alex Blencarn. I'm a sales representative with eXp Realty. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.